While we wait, no, for the decision of the Supreme Court dun sa MR, dun sa impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte. Of course, bilang isang ordinaryong mamamayan, attorney, nagtataka po kami, bakit kaya ang tagal po maglabas ng Supreme Court ng kanilang desisyon? Knowing na ngayon po, medyo, kumbaga, crucial po yung time 'Diba? Na kailangan meron na pong desisyon para makagawa na tayo ng mga dapat gawin, makapagdesisyon na ng mga dapat i-decide.
That's a very valid and important point. At kami naman, I've been publicly urging and calling upon the Supreme Court, and I'm joined by many other lawyers, siguro yung iba hindi lang nagsasalita. You know, it is a disservice if the Supreme Court keeps on delaying the decision on the MR. Considering that, number one, it pertains to a very important process and procedure, which in the future can also be used against justices of the Supreme Court. Kasi impeachable officials din mga to.
Right.
Pangalawa, time is of the essence. At this case, yung decision na in-MR has been one of the most controversial cases, and many legal scholars, former justices, chief justices, and legal scholars have roundly criticized it for being mali. Diba? Pati yung factual basis, malinaw na mali daw. So ang daming puna dito. Pero yung MR, question of law na lang yan. Bakit tumatagal? That's something that they have to respond to, because just like any others, yung mga nasasakdal, public officials din ang mga justices ng Supreme Court, they are also accountable to the people. And they must remember that justice delayed, justice denied. The Congress needs a finality on this para alam nilang gagawin, para hindi na naman aabot sa Supreme Court yung impeachment that should remain with the legislative branch.
Yeah. Oh, gumugulo na kasi yung mga pangyayari ngayon. Pero yung tawag sa... Oo.
I hope media can help us. Kalampagin natin ang Supreme Court. Nagtatrabaho sila para sa taong bayan. Yung delay na yan, hindi dapat pinapalampas yan. At pakiusapan natin sila. Decision na nyo to, one way or the other, hindi pwedeng i-dribble lang ito.